Hi guys, this is Vanya Mishra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So आज के वीडियो में I'm gonna be talking about my two favorite foundations. Yay! So the first foundation I'm gonna be talking about today is Estee Lauder, and the second one is my all-time favorite foundation, which is this MAC Studio Fix. So I'm using both of this foundation from quite a long time, and especially to this MAC when I'm using this foundation from last 2 years, and I purchased this Estee Lauder like 2 months back, and I wanted to try and test this one out. So 2 महीने I think this is a sufficient time जब मैं आपको अपना honest opinion बता सकती हूँ. So I have made this like a comparison video जिसमें मैं आपको दोनों का ही comparison बताने वाली हूँ. Like on half side of my face I have used Estee Lauder, and on half side of my face I have used MAC one. So I hope आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा, and let's not waste more time here. Let's quickly jump into the video. So before jumping on to applying the foundation, let me tell you all that I have already done my skincare. Like I have applied a good amount of moisturizer, and on top of that I have also applied Nykaa's Skin Potion just to hydrate my skin a little bit extra. And on top of that I have also applied a good pore minimizing primer, because I have quite a lot of pores on both of my cheeks. And yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is that on half side of my face I'm going to be applying Estee Lauder, and on half side of my face I'm going to be applying this MAC foundation. And I'm going to be using a wet beauty sponge for the application of both the foundations, because wet beauty sponges gives you like the best finish rather than brushes, because I've tried like so many foundation brushes, but the finish of beauty sponges are like totally different. So I'm gonna be using this one just to like show you how beautifully these foundation blends onto my skin. So I'm gonna be starting off with Estee Lauder, because this is my recent purchase. Like I got this foundation around a month back, and ever since I'm using this foundation I'm in totally love with this one. And I got this one in the shade I think Sand. So yeah, this was my perfect shade, and that's why I got this foundation from the Sephora store, because I was like literally confused about my shade, and I did not wanted to spend a lot of money online and not get my perfect shade. So I went into the store and I got like the perfect shade of this foundation. And the bottle of Estee Lauder somewhat looks like this, and it is pretty high-end, and the finish of this bottle is very nice. But only the one thing which I didn't like about this one is that they do not have a pump, and I don't know why they are like so conducive to give pump on these foundations. And the same thing goes with MAC one also, because in MAC foundation also we do not have a pump. So yeah, this is like really irritating, because sometimes you tend to use a little bit of extra foundation. But anyways, let's move towards the application and let's see the consistency of Estee Lauder. So I'm gonna be taking a generous amount of the foundation, and yeah, see, this is what always happens. I always end up like taking out a little bit of extra foundation on my hands. And on this side of my face I'm going to be using this Estee Lauder foundation. So you might be thinking that this shade is a little bit light on me, but on reality it suits me pretty well, and plus it oxidizes in some time. So I cannot deny the fact that this is a very high coverage foundation, and on one application itself you're gonna see a huge difference on my face. And I'm also gonna be using another layer of it, because I need a little bit of extra coverage just to cover all my scars. And I'm gonna be covering my nose as well, because I have quite a lot of pigmentation on my nose. Today I'm not going to be using another concealer. I'm just going to be using the same foundation under my eyes as well, because I just want to show you like how this foundation looks like all over your face. So did you see like how beautifully this foundation got absorbed onto my skin? There was just this one thing which I didn't like about this foundation, that it is a bit drying, and before using this foundation you should use a good amount of serum or moisturizer on your face if you have a dry skin. But this is completely perfect for oily skin type girls because it is very matte finish, and आप लोग अगर इसकी 3 से 4 लेयर भी लगा लेंगे then also you are not gonna feel heavy at all, because आप लोग देख सकते हैं मैंने आपके सामने ही I have used like 3 layers. Still my face is looking very light, very very natural at the same time. So I'm loving this Estee Lauder foundation a lot. So next up I'm gonna be trying MAC Studio Fix foundation on the right side of my face. So in MAC Studio Fix I am in the shade NC20, and the bottle of MAC Studio Fix is somewhat like this. I do not have to explain about the bottle and stuff because MAC is a very old brand and you all might be aware of their products, and इसमें भी pump नहीं आता है, which is again quite a disappointment. And I have taken like a decent amount of MAC foundation on my palm, and next I'm gonna be applying it on my face all over. So the difference between Estee Lauder and MAC foundation is that this foundation is somewhat on a yellowish side, like it's good for warm skin tone, and this Estee Lauder foundation was more on a whitish side. Though I got this one, like this shade sand is more like for warm undertone girls, but still I feel like this foundation is a little bit white on my face. But this is not the thing with MAC foundation, and I have used this foundation for like more than a year, and this has been my most favorite brand and most favorite foundation of all times. And I'm gonna apply some under my eye. Can you see? Can you see? I just applied one single layer, and you just have to see the the beauty of this. And compared to this one is like more on a white side, and this one is like more on a yellow side. So the yellow undertone of this foundation gives you like a natural and Indian finish. I've done applying the foundation अच्छी तरीके से, and this side is the MAC one, this side is the Estee Lauder one. I can clearly see the difference that this is like, I don't know if camera is capturing it or not, but मुझे mirror पे तो clearly visible है कि this is a little bit white and this is a little bit yellowish, and I like warm undertone. That's why I'll always go with MAC over Estee Lauder, though this one is a bit costly, and I got Estee Lauder for 3600 rupees while I got MAC just for 2800 rupees. like पूरा 900 का difference आता है, and still this one is like the best. And no doubt while MAC is one of the most most selling brands in India, I will not say that Estee Lauder foundation was bad. It was also good, the finish was good, everything was good, but it's just about the foundation shade. And although both the shades are of my exact skin color, still this MAC foundation was a bit more natural and was a bit more Indian to me. That's why I will always go for MAC over Estee Lauder. So I'm gonna be completing my overall look with some compact and some lipstick, and then I'm gonna see you guys. So I finished my look with some blush, some mascara and some lipstick. So I won't lie, like both side of my face is looking very nice and very dewy, and दोनों में से किसी भी एक foundation को choose करना it's very difficult. It's of your own personal choice more. So I will go with MAC any day, but Estee Lauder is also very nice foundation. So I'm gonna be linked down both the foundations on my description box, so do not forget to check them out. So do let me know on the comment sections guys, अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं कि मैं किसी और products का भी comparison करके आपको दिखाऊं या किसी भी foundation or any other makeup product. If you want me to review, then do let me know on the comment sections. And also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys on my next video. So until then, bye bye.